You've just gotten your brand new drone and now you want to make sure you're not breaking any rules when flying. Hi, my name is Tom Strojnik and I'm a professional filmmaker and drone pilot, and in this video I'm going to share what you need to do before hitting the skies with your drone in order to fly safely. Step number 1 is to register online as a drone operator. It's really simple and it has never been as easy and convenient to do as it is today. Simply visit the National Aviation Authority website of the country where you're resident, check which training and exams are relevant for your type of drone, and follow the necessary steps to obtain an unmanned aircraft system operator registration number. If you own multiple drones, you don't have to register each one separately. You get one operator's registration number that you attach to all the drones you own in a visible way. Once you complete the registration process in one EASA country, you don't need to repeat it again in another. You can operate your drone legally in all EASA countries, but make sure to check where you can fly your drone. Each country has its own drone geographical map that's available on the National Aviation Authority website. Be aware that there are specific rules depending on the different drone classes. Everything you do with your drone is your responsibility, so please be responsible because your actions affect the whole drone community. And make sure that before doing your first flight you go through your drone's manufacturer instructions to ensure you fly your drone safely. And all you need to do to renew your license is to participate in a seminar that's organized by your National Aviation Authority. For more detailed information, read the article linked in the video description, and that's basically it. Enjoy flying your drones!